Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you're in the market for new tires. You're looking at the sidewall, and it feels like you're trying to crack some secret code, right? You see all these numbers, and then a letter at the end, like H, V, T, or W. What does that single letter even mean? Is it important? Absolutely. And today, we're going to decode it for you. That letter is the tire's speed rating, and it's a crucial piece of information for your safety and your car's performance. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a tire expert. First things first, what exactly is a speed rating? Simply put, it's the maximum speed a tire can safely sustain over a period of time. This isn't just a random suggestion. It's a rating determined through rigorous laboratory testing. During these tests, engineers mount a tire on a machine and run it at increasing speeds until it reaches its designated limit. It is all about ensuring the tire can handle the heat and stress generated at high speeds without failing. Think of it as a performance guarantee for the tire. Using a tire beyond its speed rating is a huge safety risk, as it can lead to tire failure and a serious accident. Now, let's get into the common letters. You'll see, we'll start with a T-rated tire. If you look at a tire and see a T in the sequence, that means it has a maximum speed rating of 118 miles per hour or 190 kilometers per hour. T-rated tires are very common on standard family sedans and minivans. They offer a good balance of performance, ride comfort, and longevity, making them a reliable and economical choice for everyday driving. If your daily commute involves city streets and highways, a T-rated tire is likely what your car came with, and it's perfectly suitable for that purpose. Next up, we have the H-rated tire. An H rating signifies a step up in performance. These tires are rated for a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour, or 210 kilometers per hour. You'll often find H-rated tires on sports sedans and some coupes. They redesign for drivers who want a bit more responsiveness and better handling capabilities than a standard T-rated tire can offer. The construction of an H-rated tire is more robust, allowing it to handle the higher speeds and cornering forces with more stability. So if your car has a bit of a sporty personality, it might be equipped with high-rated tires. Moving further up the performance ladder, we arrive at the V-rated tire. A V on your tire's sidewall means it is certified for speeds up to 149 miles per hour, or 240 kilometers per hour. V-rated tires used to be the top tier for performance cars. Today, they are commonly found on many high-performance sedans and sports cars. These tires are engineered for superior grip, handling, and braking at high speeds. They typically have a softer rubber compound and a more aggressive tread pattern to keep the car planted on the road. If you enjoy spirited driving or have a vehicle with significant horsepower, V-rated tires are often the recommended choice. And finally, we have the W-rated tire. A W rating indicates a maximum speed of 168 miles per hour, or 270 kilometers per hour. These are high-performance tires designed for serious sports cars, supercars, and high-end luxury performance vehicles. Everything about a W-rated tire is optimized for speed and control. The internal construction is incredibly strong to prevent deformation at extreme speeds, and the tread compound provides maximum adhesion to the road surface. This level of performance often comes with a trade-off in tread life and ride comfort. But for drivers who demand the absolute best in handling and speed capability, W-rated tires are the way to go. So, the big question is, which one should you choose? The most important rule is to always install tires that have a speed rating equal to or greater than the one specified by your vehicle's manufacturer. You can find this information in your owner's manual or on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Installing a tire with a lower speed rating than recommended can compromise your vehicle's handling and safety, especially at highway speeds. It can even void your warranty or insurance in some cases. While you can upgrade to a higher speed rating, like going from H to V, just know that it might change the ride feel, and they might wear out a little faster. And there you have it, the mystery of T, H, V, and W speed ratings solved. It is all about matching the tire's capability to your car's performance and your driving needs. Understanding this little letter helps you make a smarter, safer choice for your vehicle. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.